Hello my dear children, in previous video you have learned patterns. What are patterns? Patterns are a definite sequence of numbers, alphabets or shapes and figures. And in this video we will learn the symmetry. Now what is symmetry? Symmetry is when we divide any object into two equal halves, that is called symmetry, and the line we use to divide that figure into two equal parts, that is called the line of symmetry. Suppose we are having the shape of cylinder. Suppose we are having a shape of cylinder. So now if we fold this shape of cylinder like this into equal halves, we see दोनों तरफ से देखो ये बिल्कुल सेम है, कहीं से भी ज़्यादा कम नहीं है. दैट मीन्स इस शेप को हमने इक्वल हाफ्स में डिवाइड कर दिया. सो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड सिमिट्री, एंड द लाइन वी ड्रॉ इन बिटवीन दैट फिगर to make the two equal halves, that is called line of symmetry. Now in some more shapes we will take an example like this. We are having two triangles in this figure. So with the help of scale, first of all we will fold this figure. We can take an idea. Now in between it we will draw the line of symmetry. In this rhombus also we draw two lines of symmetry, because this figure can be divided into four equal parts. So these are called the line of symmetry. Next is, does the dotted line divided it equally? Now we have to identify that this line of symmetry divide this figure into two equal parts. Is this yes? No, because there is the corner at the outside at the left side, and here at the downside the outside corner is at the right side. So it is not symmetrical properly. Its answer is no. In next square we are having a slanting line of symmetry. So left and right hand side both are equal. So line of symmetry is, answer is yes. Next figure we are having one horizontal line. We are using one horizontal line to divide the figure into two equal parts. So these are also two equal parts. So answer is yes. Now next sum is, draw the second half. Now we are having a first half. Now we will draw the second half, same half, so that figure can be completed. So with the help of scale we will draw this line, because these should be neat and clean. Where do we need scale? We will use it. Next is, there is semicircle. In the opposite side we will also draw semicircle with the same shape. Here we will draw again second half of this figure and complete the picture. But make sure that left hand side and right hand side should be equal. This is called the symmetry. So here is one more special instruction for you. You can use color in the given figures so that your copy looks more attractive with the coloring figures. Okay, try to do the work very neat and clean. All the best. God bless you all.